Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Do you go grocery shopping every week?
Do you know how to talk about food and shopping in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about grocery shopping.
You'll learn useful English expressions for making a shopping list, finding products, asking about prices, and paying at the checkout.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their everyday English.
Now, let's begin. Are you going grocery shopping today?
Yes, I am.
What do you need to buy?
I need some vegetables, fruit, milk, eggs, and bread.
That's quite a shopping list.
Yes, we don't have much food at home.
Did you make a list?
Yes, I wrote everything down on my phone.
That's a good idea.
It helps me remember what I need.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need some chicken and rice for dinner.
Okay, let's go to the supermarket.
Great, let's go.
Where should we start?
Let's start with the vegetables.
Okay, we need tomatoes and carrots.
We also need some potatoes.
How many potatoes should we get?
Let's get 5.
Okay.
The tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, they do.
Let's get 6 tomatoes.
Good.
Now we need some fruit.
How about apples and bananas?
That sounds good.
Do you want oranges too?
Yes, let's get a few.
Our shopping cart is getting full.
We still have a few things to buy.
Where can we find the milk?
I think it's in the dairy section.
Let's look over there.
Here it is.
Which one should we buy?
This one is cheaper.
How much is it?
It's $3.
That's a good price.
Let's get 2 bottles.
Okay.
We also need eggs.
How much is a dozen?
It's $4.
That's fine.
Let's put them in the cart.
Be careful with the eggs.
Don't worry, I'll put them on top.
I think we have everything.
Let me check the list.
Do we have bread?
Yes.
Milk?
Yes.
Eggs?
Yes.
Chicken and rice?
Yes, we have everything.
Great. Let's go to the checkout.
There's a short line over there.
Perfect.
The cashier is ready.
Hello.
Hi.
Did you bring your shopping bags?
Yes, I have 2 reusable bags.
That's great.
How much is everything?
It's $48.20.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for grocery shopping.
You learned how to talk about a shopping list, find products, ask about prices, and pay at the checkout.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat each sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
What do you usually buy when you go grocery shopping?
Tell us in the comments.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.